Guys, in this video, I've just received a mystery box. Now, I think it's come from Banggood, and I think it's probably going to be an RC car. Let's have a look. Usually, it would be obvious because there would be pictures on the box, but this one hasn't. Oh, check out this body shell that I got for the front-wheel drive burnout car, courtesy of Vinny. All right, that's going to be for a different video. All right, let's crack him open. Alright, so this is not what I was expecting. I was actually expecting, or half expecting, a six-wheel drive rock crawler, which I got coming on the way too, and I thought maybe it was that because the box was fairly long. Subscribe! Alright, so it looks to be some kind of a sand racer. I did not know that this was coming. This completely took me by surprise. So looking at it, there's no electrics in there. I think it's probably 1/8 scale. So looking underneath, it's got a metal chassis. We've got 17mm hexes. We've got this pretty cool looking aluminium threaded shocks. Double wishbone suspension, front and rear. Steel drive shafts, aluminium hinge pin braces, and these arms, they look really substantial. And it also comes with this massive sticker sheet. It's almost like a wrap, and I think that's going to almost cover the whole entire car. So once that's all on there, it's going to look pretty cool. Alright, so to get the body off, there's one clip on here. I've just removed them because it took me a little while to figure out which clips you have to take off and which ones you don't. So you've got to remove the clip there, a clip there, a clip there, and the same on the other side. And then, once you pop these side bits out, and the body will lift off the top like this. So it definitely looks like it's going to take a 1/8 scale power system. And everything does look kind of quite beefy. I mean, if we have a look at the chassis, batteries are flat on my calipers, but 4mm thick chassis. So here's the car on the Banggood website. I'm going to put a link to that down below. Alright, so all that we can do for now is put these stickers on. Oh, check it out, with all this stuff peeled off, it looks so much better already. But to get the stickers on, we're going to have to remove these screws, because otherwise the stickers are going to go over the screws and it won't look that great. Alright, so I'm going to put the rest of the stickers on and then we're going to have a quick montage. Know what power system I should put in there, what servo and what radio. So if you can have a little look on the Banggood website and just have a little look through there and see what kind of sort of budget gear I can get, what I could put in there, and then we're going to put it all together, take it out for a blast and see what this thing's made of. It looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. It looks fairly durable, so I'm pretty excited. But for now, that is it for this video. If you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe, bell button. I know it's a really short video. There's not really much more I can do until I get some parts. So have a look at some of my other videos that I'm going to put there, wherever. Alright guys, see you soon. Bye.